hate the winter, can't stand the cold. I tend to cancel all the plans.
So sorry, I can't make it.
But when the heat comes, something takes a hold. Can I kick it? Yeah, I can. My cheeks in high color, overripe peaches. No shirt, no shoes, only my features. My boy behind me, he's taking pictures. Lead the boys and girls onto the beaches. Come on, come on, tell you my secrets. I'm kinda like a prettier Jesus. Forget all of the tears that you've cried, it's over. It's a new state of mind. Are you coming, my baby? Acid green, aquamarine. The girls are dancing in the sand, and I throw my cellular device in the water. Can you reach me? No, you can't. My cheeks in hot color, overripe peaches. No shirt, no shoes, only my features. My boy behind me, he's taking pictures. He's taking pictures. Lead the boys and girls onto the beaches. Come on, tell you my secrets. I'm kinda like a prettier Jesus. Turn it on in a new kind of bright. It's solar. Come on and let the bliss begin. Blink 3 times when you feel it kicking in. That
Yo, yo, yo. Welcome, 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 Cal. And to anyone who pops by, welcome as well. I can't do this, like, sleeping thing. It's way too difficult. So, this is where we're at, you know? Disgustingness to the bone. No shot, right? So bad. So, today, just gonna do a bit of Nancy Drew, try and get through this backlog of games. And hopefully, you know, we'll be vibing. We'll be chilling, for real. I know, like, most people are asleep at this time, like, 7:54, like, that's actually a disgusting time to even be awake, honestly. Yeah. What is this? Alrighty. Let us just make sure that this appears properly. Okay, it does. Perfect. But yeah, welcome, welcome, y'all. What is going on, my dudes? It is so Nancy Drew coded right now.
Listen, my child, to this story of dreams, and know that the beginning is more difficult than it seems. When the 10 daughters are reunited in order, when the four-sided box loses
10 daughters are reunited in order.
Hi, it's Nancy Drew. Welcome to my latest...
Yo, welcome, welcome, Yeti. How are you? What's you been up to?
Dear Bess, hello from stormy San Francisco.
Oh, I'm in San Fran. Okay. 1 second, let me lower the volume. You like you, act like... There we go.
You'd love the room I'm in. It's full of old Chinese furnishings.
A Victorian mansion in San Francisco. Yep, That's so true.
Friend of Hannah, and asked me to come out and help her with some renovation work. She and her friend Abby hope to turn the place into a bed and breakfast by next month. But from what I gather,
So we're turning a Victorian mansion in San Francisco into a bed and breakfast. I feel like you probably get more value after straight up selling that building, honestly. I mean, I guess, like, income if you already have the building or the asset, but, like, dude, that seems kind of excessive, especially with, like, cost of living and everything.
It's locked.
This is the era of Nancy Drew, by the way, where... Whoops. Nice antique decorations, Rose's Who's Who. Okay. Understood. I literally have no reason to look into this right here. But these are like the old Nancy Drew games now that I have to play. There's 3 of them, no, 4 of them left from this era that I have to play. And oh my gosh, I'm actually like terrified of playing these. Listen to my child, the story of dreams, and know that the beginning is more difficult than it seems. When the 10 daughters are reunited in order, when the four-sided box loses its border, when the eye of the phoenix is in your hand, when the bird of fire can see again, when the moon sleeps and the sun plays, the king of the sky will shine his rays, and hidden beneath a river of colors will lie a gate to golden wonders. Hey Art, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. What you been up to? But yeah, this is one of those Nancy Drew games I haven't played at all. And I'm a little bit terrified to play through this game because I don't want it to take forever, you know? It's one of those games that also has a clock in here. Like, time passes in this game. Different things happen at night and during the day. Daughters of Diligence earn the gold of 9 dragons. So true. You're so right, actually. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else I can really do in here. Tell me, Nancy, because I'm a Drew all over you. You're gonna Drew all over me? You're gonna drool all over me, Nefari, actually. Hi! Hi, Nefari, how are you? Meow Yeti? Oh my gosh, yes, meow. Been working recently, though I fly back home for Christmas here in a couple days. Oh, fuck yeah. How's that looking for ya? Wait. Oh, this is one of the Nancy Drew games where, like, there's no arrows for movement, so it's just like... Oh god, this is gonna be awful. I love Nancy Drew, you know? Nancy Drew is my favorite game.
The rope is cut.
The rope is cut. That's so true. Ed's screen movement. You? Excuse me? That's my Nancy Drew you're talking about here. What's in the basement here?
It's stuck.
It's stuck. You're so right, Nancy. You're so right. Me when it's stuck? Mm-hmm. You actually love these games? That's wild. Wait, it'll be nice. I'll be with the family for a little over 2 weeks, and I have to get tailored for a wedding. A wedding? Okay. That's not too bad. Barry's experienced an increase in the number of registered bed and breakfasts, according to Betsy Hamilton. More and more travelers who visit our city are seeking more personal lodging experiences. The Bay Area has many alternative accommodations in addition to traditional hotels, but the increased interest in bed and breakfasts comes to increased competition. That's so cool. Hotels and stuff, yeah, Yeah, I know all about the Bay Area, actually, you know, I'm a knower, if you think about it. I love how blurry it is, because I'm stretching the resolution to 2K.
I should wait until he leaves.
I should wait until he leaves. Oh. You haven't even introduced yourself to this dude, and Nancy, you want...
Hi, you must be Nancy. My name's Charlie.
You love these games? Nefari, I'm like such a Nancy Drew fan. There's so many of these Nancy Drew games that I've like just been grinding through on this stream at this point. Like, I'm pretty sure we have at most 10 games left, and that's really exciting for me. 4 really old ones, and I think 3 to 5 newer ones, and 1 I'm not sure. Wow, nice to meet you. Rose and Abby really have their hands full with this house.
Nice to meet you. Rose and Abby really have their hands full with this house.
Yeah, most of these Victorian mansions need a lot of work, but I don't mind getting my hands dirty.
What the hell are we talking
this place
about?
will look great once it's finished.
I don't know you, Charlie. Think you'll be able to open in time with all these accidents and delays?
Think you'll be open in time with all of these accidents and delays?
Yeah. Well, now that you're here, sure.
Well, you sound very convinced.
You don't sound convinced.
No, I am. I mean,
Nancy
know
actually has, like,
concern, but you gotta expect a few
quality
things
to,
get out of
like,
control in
how they're
these
saying their
projects.
words in this game. That's
Accidents happen,
crazy.
you know?
But why so many? Wait, there's accidents happening here?
But why so many?
I have no idea. People
I
are
don't-
blaming me, but it's not my fault. I know what I'm doing. I know how to do this work. Listen, Nancy, I really need to get back to work. I'm repairing some floorboards,
I know what I'm
so
doing.
be careful walking around. Rose was looking for you earlier. Maybe she has something for you to do. See ya.
Be careful of the floorboards. I just repaired them, but I'm not going to tell you which floorboards I repaired. But, like, if you accidentally, you know, fall over or something, that's on you. Was that Rose? Bed and breakfast monthly. Materials for a twin-size bed. 56 6-inch pieces of wooden doweling. 5 46-inch pieces of wooden doweling. 2 PVC elbows to fit the doweling. 2-inch. Okay. 66 square inches of fabric. Screws. 4 7/8. Wait, 4 7/8 inch by 37-inch eye hooks, and 3 6/7 inch by 5 3/9 inch fish hooks. Why are inches like that? I actually hate, like, the imperial system. Like, why would you write a number that way? No decimal points, just a dash and a fraction. Yeah, I could say 5 1/3, but like, I would just put 5 followed by 1/3 and no dash in the middle. Like, that seems disgusting and extra. Okay, so Lewis is here from noon to 5. Charlie's here from 8 to 5. And Abby's out from 3 to 6. Okay. Bunch of glue and stuff.
Hello, Nancy. I'm very glad you could come out here. We can really use your help.
Oh,
seeing how far
nice
we are
to meet you. I literally don't know who you are.
Renovation work?
Yeah, I can't wait. Last night you mentioned some accidents. What exactly happened?
I can't wait. Last night, you mentioned some accidents. What exactly happened?
I don't know where to begin. It started out with some small but irritating things. But then the scaffolding collapsed, and just last week we had a gas leak. I really don't know whether I can stand much more of this. I would love to have a week without any accidents.
I love coughing. I can understand your frustration, Rose. Do you think it's just bad luck?
I can understand your frustration, Rose. Do you think it's just bad luck?
I'm not one to believe in bad luck, but it's been one thing after another. Maybe Charlie doesn't have the expertise.
I mean, Charlie is the type of person who also
but
leave
his rails are
floorboards
so
broken on the
affordable.
ground anyways,
I
so...
sometimes wonder, though, if this old house would be worth more burned to the ground. Enough chit-chat. Hannah tells me
It'd probably
you're a
be
real
worth the
pro with
most without
puzzles.
any
Take a look in
renovation
the
at all.
corner. Those wood tiles should fit inside the inlay pattern of the floor. Abby and I tried for hours, but it's just too complicated. I'm sorry for not introducing you around, but everyone posts their schedule here in the dining room. It's kind of like Command Central. Let me know how far you get with that puzzle. And
With
thanks
that
again for
puzzle?
helping us,
You're
Nancy.
actually calling it a puzzle? I literally don't understand what she wanted me to
How's
do.
that inlay puzzle coming along?
Okay, but I still haven't finished.
I
it.
literally
Now,
don't know where the
working on
inlay
it.
is. What? Is it on the ground? Yeah. Inlay. I know everything about inlays, actually. In fact, if I look in the corner, oh, that's not that, not that. This is blocked. There's nothing there. I literally don't understand what I'm doing. Oh, Wormo. Oh, hi, Wormo. Hi, y'all. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Oh god, my chat is fast. I have to zoom out. Oh gosh. Hi, welcome, welcome, all y'all people raiding in. I'm Volpy, and we're here having a chill little time today. Saying hello with an asterisk. Thank y'all so much for popping by. Parahedrone, Reinhardy, Furious Cobra, Mike's this is your first time chatting, by the way. Welcome, welcome, and Lauki, as well as Noah Ryder. and Wermo, and Sofa, Bear King, this is your first time chatting, and Dreamer Cairo. Oh my gosh. Welcome, y'all. How was your time with the 35 incher? I'm playing a Nancy Drew game, and like I have to get through all of the Nancy Drew games for my list of games, but I have no idea what they need me to solve because there's a puzzle with like inlays or something. It's good to know the fire extinguishers is here. Yep. I love Occam's Razor. It's so cool. So right now, 35 incher. Yeah, exactly, Goldfish. Not 35 incher. That's a Firo. Okay, well, you know, that's crazy. Also, XC, welcome. The Goldfish, also welcome as well. Both of y'all, it's your first time chatting. Welcome. I'm Volpy, and we're here having a chill old time today. Stay wholesome with an asterisk. This is such a lame stream. Why did you raid me, Wermo? Nancy Drew. Ooh, that's a nice violin. Why would you leave a violin on the chair like that? Like, at least put it in a case or on a stand. Take any W you can. Exactly. See? Wermo, they agree. It's a W for you, you know? By the way, Wermo, I just want to congratulate you one more time on your $1 trillion purchase. I know it's a lot of money, but I better get that getting ready with me video, okay? Okay, that's the phone. Understood. Thanks. Now my nickname is the 2-inch pinch. I know you're the 2-inch pinch, but like I'm like I have severe amounts of cake, and I took a video of myself earlier, and that's like I didn't realize how bad it was. Firebird by Edmund Dulante. Also known as the Firebird, this mythical giant bird occurs in legends of many cultures, including Chinese, Arabic, and American. Oh god, please don't. I'm not getting canceled here. I'm sorry. I have good cake. Thank you so much, Cal. Oh my gosh. Do I have to like do a chess puzzle or something? Please wait till the maze is loading. Okay. Wait, wasn't this in the other game? Will this sign me into the computer? Hey, how's it going? It's going so good, Nikolai. How are you? Don't worry. I'll make the most unaware getting ready with me as I possibly can. I'm so happy for you, Wermo. Thank you. Wermo, do you think like we could explore this maze together or something as a prank? Among friends? Or something? We're like maybe friends, possibly. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna be a crazy individual online, you know? I'm just a gamer like that. Also, Vilsa, howdy, how are you? Yeah, if something bad happens, you can be the meat shield. Yeah, exactly. Just like leave my backside towards it, my rear end. And Silver Bear King, Mike Scar, and Draco. Thank you guys so much for the follows. Also, hi. There's someone with dementia here, I'm pretty sure. So, by the way, from like Foxworth's conversations, I understand that there is extremely large amounts of werewolves. You know what I mean? Also, not like howdy, how are you? How was your time with Wermo? Also, everyone else, how was your time with Wermo? The 2-inch pinch, as they say. It was great. Hell yeah. How much like bullying did you do on like that individual? Oh, I think this is the end. Yay. Okay. San Francisco City Guide. Hotels, Cyan Palace. Okay, I'm actually taking a picture of this because I literally do not want to do that maze again. He was worming around. He hates you. Oh, they just keep the passwords here. Okay, perfect. Snapping a photo of that. Guys, don't worry. The password for my home office is safe in all capital letters, okay? Survive the worm stream craziness? Yeah, Worma, why would you beat them up? Why would you bully them? Goldfish, I'm so sorry, as well as Lady. Oh my gosh. Worma's being Wormo as always. Absolute hatred-filled individual? Yeah. Artemis, couldn't imagine what you could mean by that. That's crazy, couldn't it? Could it be? I can't save to disk. I can't load. I can't use the printer. What's in the trash bin? Nothing. Okay. Okay, well, there's gonna be a chess puzzle somewhere. There's Mahjong here. Do I have to play Mahjong with somebody or something in this game? It's crazy. Yeah, what's your favorite part about, Wormo bullying you? Because, everyone has to have a favorite part about, their favorite person, Fuck, literally me, for real, on God. Bilebus Bussy? Oh, that's pretty reasonable, honestly. Where would that, go under? It'd probably go under, the P, right? For, fat? Surely. He's angry and he's too tall to be the little spoon? Oh, that makes sense. I mean, to be fair, Wormo just needs to be 2'3" like myself, okay? That would probably help them a lot with, being the little spoon, okay? Or sorry, 2'4", my apologies. Sorry, I was undercompensating. You'd go under F for flat? Damn. I see you? Oh my god, I see you too, dude. Which painting said that? This guy? Okay, I'm not gonna go that way because I don't want to fall through the floorboards. Are you fun size then? Oh yeah, exactly. I'm fun size. I'm as fun as you can get with just I've lost my track of mind, Yo, Wormo. You want this dumbass proof of me being the opposite of F for flat? Me being TH for thick or something? Wait, is this back to my bedroom? Huh. Bro, just got a lightning bolt of gay thoughts. Listen, my gay thoughts are none of your concern. They're a little intense. And I feel like the average person experiencing these types of thoughts would probably fall apart under immense pressure immediately. Oh? Wait, I've been here already. Is this the room that has the things? The tiles? I feel like I haven't made any progress in this at all. Do I have to go back downstairs or something? But no, Wills, I'm probably the most clean and pretty individual out there, okay? You have no bearings on how wholesome I am, okay? Oh, what's one non-alcoholic drinks and how to mix them? What? Or famous? Okay, the Minty Festival Punch. It's 9 cups of water, 18 ounces of cranberry juice. How much is an ounce? 15 oranges? Oh, there's 24 servings. Okay, that makes sense. All right, ginger whisper. There's ginger soda water, ginger ale, lemon juice. Can I replace the oranges with orange juice? Or do I have to Immense pressure since you got some bottom thoughts rolling around there. Yeah, but I'm not as big a bottom as like Shadzi or some other individual, so you know, I'm just built better like that. I'm built cooler. California Theater Protection Society. Okay. What do I have to do?
The rope is cut.
The rope is cut, yeah, but like, can't be wholesome and friends with Foxworth. Those two things are mutually exclusive? Oh. But like, I am
How's that inlay puzzle
probably friends
coming
with
along?
Foxworth or something. Whose laptop is that in the library?
That in the library?
Lewis leaves it here, but he doesn't like people to use it. He said he's had trouble with viruses lately.
Oh, that makes sense. I mean, to be fair, if you can solve a mace unlocking Peter, you probably have bigger problems. How'd you
How
find
did you find
Charlie?
He just showed up one day. It was really odd. I remember Abby and I were in the basement talking about hiring someone to help us. 20 minutes later, the doorbell rang and there stood Charlie.
Looking for work. Good for him. You know, that's a go-getter attitude. That's how you get a job. All you have to do is literally walk up to the workplace that you want to be working at and tell them, hey, I want to work here. I have a really good work ethic and I'm a stand-up chap. Get ready, okay? Where did Abby find those papers that are in the parlor?
Where did Abby find those papers that are in the parlor?
She told me they were in her room, which surprised me since it was completely empty when we moved in. Now the room you're staying in was crammed with furniture. I think most of it was original with the house.
Well, I can see you're busy. I'll let you go.
I'll let you go.
Take care.
I feel like there's nothing in here. Oh. Okay, to rotate pieces, click the right mouse button. Okay, this is like a tangram, isn't it? That certainly goes there. I feel like that's probably gonna go there. That there. There. What? Is this like a very precise puzzle or something? Dude, I hate games where the puzzles are like actually precise to complete. Yeah, that has to be the big piece. What the heck? What the heck? Why is it so precise? Okay, maybe I'm just gonna put it down here. Maybe that's where it wants to go. And then I can put the square rectangle piece here. And then I can put these pieces in all these like empty spots left over. Yeah, that looks about right. There we go. Cool. Is this not correct? That goes there. Certainly.
I did it.
Oh my god. Wait, CBT puzzle. Yeah? That works for the hospital? Heck. All you have to have is a heartbeat? Oh shit, heartbeat. You're so right. You're actually you're so intelligent even. Soku, hi, welcome. And Lunara, thank you back. Okay. Yeah, you're so right. Heartbeat, heart greet or something. Here, let me. Do that. Is that the famous and amazing and handsome Volpe? Alex, that's crazy. That's insane. I could never be like any of those things. Maybe, possibly. Even the captions take my name? Is he so cute? He's so cute. Hisoku. It's so cool, actually, if you think about it. Cute accusatory? Dude, I'm gonna beat you up. 1 second. One second. Bring it, shorty? That's crazy. That's probably not even you, honestly. Get wrecked, okay? Get destroyed.
How's that inlay puzzle coming along?
I finished it.
Wonderful. But now I've got.
Wait, I had a
something
choice
else
of saying
for
I
you.
haven't finished
I'll
it
set
yet.
a ladder upstairs so you can chip off the broken tiles on the hallway ceiling. You'll need to look around for a chisel or paint scraper for the job.
I have that.
I'm not sure where Charlie keeps them.
I can see
Perfect.
you're busy. I'll let you go.
Bye,
Send me to the ad dimension? Oh yeah, ads. Those things. To all you people who don't have ads, yeah, I've seen your own Volpe. None of those are inaccurate. That's crazy, honestly. Alex, where have you seen me around? Like, what? That seems like... That's insane. I'm just a fox.
It's locked. It's locked.
It may
It's locked.
take me
Locked.
and I'm right or wrong. She won't mistake me. I'm loving angels instead.
How are the tiles coming along?
It's all
I'm
finished, but you
all
should know what I
finished.
found.
You should know what I found.
I'm sure it's very interesting.
Siri banned
Unless it's really
stopped
important,
blinking
I've got other
gel.
things to worry
Reason
about.
spam
Let's see.
detected.
If you're any good at fixing
Oh, welcome
things,
back,
there's a
Wilson.
dumbwaiter in the hallway
How are
that's
you
not
doing?
working.
Good at fixing things? There's a dumbwaiter in the hallway that's not working. I can see you're busy. I'll let you go.
I'll let you go.
Don't
But
work
it was
too hard.
snapped, wasn't it? Like, literally... It snapped.
The rope is cut.
I have to, like, go downstairs to, like, the basement? There's nowhere where that connects up to, right? Down the waterfall. You take me. Do I have to, like, go up? Soku, what? Cozy fox? I'm more than just cozy. I'm like
It's locked.
gozy or something. I don't know. Words are hard. I'm just a fox, okay? I actually don't know how to speak, if you think about it. Da-da-da-da-da. The way up. This is the staircase down. Maybe I'll ask Charlie. Hey, cozy, why not plushie?
Hey, Nancy,
Well,
I really need to finish this up.
me?
Sorry.
I'm not cozy.
Look.
This is so sad. This is so sad. You're the goat and you're cozy, maybe some sort of combination of those words. I am a coat. Oh my gosh, you're so right. Get marketable plush? That's kind of cool, actually. I think there should be a Volpe TF
Hello.
I can see
in
your
which,
beauty. I'll let you go.
Don't work too hard.
I become a silly little, like, plush animal and, you know, someone else just, like, cuddles it or something. I don't know. I think that'd be pretty funny. Volpe got... That's crazy. Yeah, I got skinned. Mm-hmm. Skinned, as in, I'm now a skin in Fortnite Battle Royale, okay? You'd snuggle a plushie? Okay, okay. Okay, well that's gonna make the chandelier fall. I don't think I want the chandelier to fall. Do I have to like find a rope or something? Or maybe I take like a curtain off the wall and use that for the dumbwaiter? Like, you wouldn't want a big Dirk to snuggle them? You'd snuggle a plushie? Oh my gosh. Me for real, for real? You want to? Is that what you want? Maybe it is what I want, actually. Who knows? Like, that would be crazy if that's exactly what I wanted. I don't know the login name. This guy's gonna come back eventually, right? Like, he'll just, like, move into this room and I'll get to meet him. Introduce myself or something. Like, the dumbwaiter's here, but the rope is cut.
The rope is cut.
Is there a kitchen here? It would be weird, especially with the 17-foot Durgan shot. Well, I mean, 17 feet is, like, not much larger than, like, 2'4" if you think about it, you know? I know imperial measurements. Yep, mm-hmm. Is this, does this count as a kitchen? This counts as like a bar or like a speakeasy or something, right? Right? Sorry, what was that? Oh. Oh, I'm just like a 2'4" fox, you know? Just like small and stuff, you know? Fun size, as Meryl says, you know? Hmm. I don't understand. It's a little itty bitty teeny tiny little fox. Like over here maybe? Just a non-alcoholic drinks, I think. And breakfast on the rise. There's nothing over here.
Hey, Nancy. I really need to finish this up. Sorry.
Oh, sorry. My apologies, Charlie.
I should wait until he leaves.
Okay, well, maybe if I investigate past there, I'll get something. But in order to do that, I need to, like, go to bed or something. What time is it? 3:15? Okay, yeah. I can definitely go until 5. We'll go in here. Go set my alarm. To 5 p.m. Rexmel activated. Bottom energy quadrupled. Excuse me? I despise you, to be fair, you know. Also, I think the maid dress was too soon. I might have to like manually set that. Hold up, hold up. Hold up, it was definitely too soon. 1 second, let me fix this. Mm, 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 mm. Where even is my maid dress? There we go. That's better. Possibly. Let's just save this real quick so I don't accidentally crash and lose all my progress. Hi Sabine, welcome, welcome, how are you? Also Panda, how are you as well? Press head between Volpe's ears? Between my ears? Oh my goodness. Alex is wild out here. Okay, maybe I can check back here.
It's stuck.
It's stuck, okay. I'm taking a screwdriver. I mean, he doesn't need a screwdriver, right? He'll also not notice because, like, you know, he's busy or something. There's nothing in that doorway? A key. That could be to get to the attic. Possibly. The door just closed on me. Excuse me? Who would do that to me? You can stop if I like? No, keep going. I think that's pretty cool.
It's locked.
Okay. It sucks. I'm sure Volpe can figure that out, given all the experience it has with that. You know, being knotted is a very, like, sensual state of mind, okay? It takes a lot to, like, be able to, like, recover from, that mentality. But once you're there, you're in absolute bliss, okay? Golden Gate Gazette. Oh, look at that baby head. And there's an iron. That's like something for sewing. This is... Manhattan for a stain. I literally... This is too stretched on my monitor to read. I actually can't. Like, what you guys see on the screen is even worse for me right here. Need to attack for Louisiana, but too tired and lazy. Maybe you should just be less tired and lazy and...
It's locked.
Or something, maybe.
It's locked.
Okay, that key doesn't work there. I'm looking for another key, huh? And then this is the mysterious storybook. She puts her auburn hair back behind her ear and cautioned the arduous work. Each pile of dirt seemed heavier than the last, and the damp night air was stifling. Somewhere in the distance, a clock struck midnight. Suddenly, the sound of metal hitting metal resounded from the bottom of the pit. Carolyn dropped to her knees and quickly dug around the dull, metallic chest. Soon, the lid was uncovered, and she pressed his lock open with her crowbar. Her eyes flashed as she saw the chest's contents. 1,000 pieces of gold glinted in the soft moonlight. Captain Stoibling's treasure, the young heroine cried. Okay, I know all about Captain Stoibling's treasure. Yar. Oh.
It's stuck.
Fuck.
It's stuck. It's stuck.
Well,
It's stuck.
It's stuck, so
It's stuck.
I guess there's gonna be another way out of the attic, huh? Oh, that's American flag right there. You can tell that we're in the United States of America. Head back and forth, gently bumping up against Volpe's ears. Oh my gosh. We're RPing in the chat right now? With my ears? My silly little fox ears? It's a little aggro, Why are you bumping into my ears? America was fucking what the heck? I hate America, you know? Oh. It's a crowbar. Wait, I got a crowbar. Oh yeah. That's how you do it. Okay. Can I just like put this iron in the dumbwaiter? Downstairs maybe? And then I can close this, go back upstairs. A fox on his ears on a silly little fox? That's me for real. Hi. I'm a silly little fox, my silly little fox ears. Dragon pottery. Okay, well I guess the dumb waiter is fixed, which makes me a pretty smart waiter. What's the deal, banana peel? Yeah, Joltier, what? By the way, Will, do you stream?
Hello.
Oh, I see you're busy.
I'll let you go.
So long. Hello.
I see you're busy. I'll let you
I can see you're
go.
busy. I'll let you go.
Thanks for your help.
Kills you tenderly? What's tender about that? Excuse me? Doog? Or should I say Doog? Okay, what's their face should be here now, right? The other dude. Memory streams only co-stream? Oh, yeah. Still Patriotic would go feral over a flag for the bit? Oh my god, wow. Feral over a flag? Damn. Feral over a flag? Me in between the flag and you? Oh, you're crazy. No, I'm just kidding, okay? Duke, or should I say Duke? Yeah, do you have a problem with how I'm saying Doog? Okay. Dragon Eye Pottery. Like werewolves don't well, werewolves are quite cool indeed, and I very much am obsessed with TF. So maybe there's a high possibility that I like werewolves. Yeah. Sue me, okay? Sue me. Happy no would seek me I flew out to fly high. Nishime nakatsu wo Look in TF between a dragon and a wolf. You. Wow. Maybe I will? That's crazy. You would dare. That's wild. I'm just feel better. Oh.
It won't fit. It won't fit.
I'm missing one. I'm missing a square.
It's stuck.
It's stuck. Yeah, I can kind of gather that. Between grating and unbearable. And one more thing, right, Duganite? Like, not just grating and unbearable, but, like, also probably, like... loving and caring, surely, and appreciative. I'm assuming that, like, there's a tile for every, like, task I need to do, but no. Oh, and you're so right. You have something wait, you sound like you have something to say, Volpe? What could I even possibly say here? Like, my paws are actually, like... paw max. Wait, are my paws, like, working? My paws aren't working. What? 1 second. Let me save this game. I have to fix my paws. You getting struck by the horny bolt? Listen, okay? Let me tell you, when I'm streaming, I have no clothes on right now, okay? So, like, if you think about it, okay? I wouldn't be able to tell if I was having horny bolts because, you know, there's no, like, fabric to rub against, you know? Pause, non-functional, weak, ruined, excuse me? Hmm.
It's stuck.
Wait. Oh! Oh, Puck!
I can't see where I'm going.
Yeah, I can't see where I'm going. Understood. Okay, so I guess I can't do that yet. But all these things that are stuck earlier, I can use a crowbar on, right? Thanks for reminding me I should be declothed. Yeah, that's crazy. You really should, honestly. I think you'd probably find it much more freeing. Hmm. It's free fruit. I guess you could say... Why do people say the word fruity when they're from the United States of America, okay? Like, that's crazy. Like, where did that come from? What does that even... Like, oh yeah, you're just a little fruity. What does that mean? Does that mean I'm just like a fruit? Helen O'Leary. I'm finding more drawers everywhere. Like, I'm betting there's just, like, gonna be a drawer in the library I haven't even checked yet, either. Oh, let him breathe? Yeah, let them breathe. It means you let your rainbow flagish... I know, but, like, why? What does... what does the fruit insinuate here? What do those paws do, Volpe? The paws, they're kind of flimsy. They don't really do too much, actually, if you think about it. Like, I wish they could do more, but they are simply just 4 paws. So, like, you know, they just kind of, like... Oh. Nancy, why are you moving the encyclopedias left and right constantly? Everybody likes fruit? Oh. Do they? Oh no. Do I tell them that I don't like fruit? Gamer? Yeah, that's me. I'm a gamer. You don't like fruit? Oh. That's faulty. Child 3. Ooh. Oh my god, I can spy from in here. I just need to climb behind the walls before people enter the room and have to wait for them to leave the room. Damn. unfollows, runs. Listen, okay? I'm just a hater for, like, mostly solid fruit, okay? Oh, I don't want to stand on those floorboards, honestly. We've got a lantern now. And Gilly, oh my god, Alex! Hi teammate, how are you?
I can see you're
I can
busy.
see busy. I'll let you go,
Bye,
okay?
Nancy.
Get you a burger instead. If you don't like hamburgers, I'm exploding you with my mind. Hamburgers are pretty real. What time is it? Wait. You guys want to go get a hamburger? Is it time to go get a burger right now? Can I ride shotgun? Up to you. It really depends on if you feel like it or not, you know? As being more active, I have to sit around today at certain places. Really? Here, let me go put some pajamas on, and I'm gonna go get in my car, and we're gonna go get burgers, okay? You know what? I think that's probably pretty reasonable. What do y'all think? Burger time? Just made you hungry, didn't I? I'm actually so hungry right now. Oh my god, I didn't even realize how hungry I'd get. Uh, what do you have to wear? Do you have one? Yeah, Alex, you can, absolutely. For feeding a top of the burger, you can ask Foxworth. Did Foxworth make you a burger? That's crazy. Okay, I want that sock. I want that sock. And I can put my socks on. Bring me back a couple. Your guys are coming with me, okay? We're going to get burgers right now, okay? Okay, what do I have? What pants do I have? I think those are my work pants, so I'll just find some sweats somewhere. They're probably in my washroom. Give me a second, guys. It's not that cold outside. I could just wear like a skirt or something. Maid dress? Wear the maid dress. To the hamburger place this late at night? Like, in the corner. I can't, like, dig that out. Yeah, Duganite? What if I just, like, wear a crop top? No, like here, I'll just go, like, wear my crop top. It's fine. Wherever it is. High highs, especially if it's cold. I've got like over the knees, what's it called? Socks right now. It's pretty okay. It's pretty reasonable. Okay. Okay. Fit check. We'll do that in a second. Let me just find a laptop. Now, when I'm driving, I'm not going to be looking at chat, so be aware of that, everyone. Just hang tight. Get Berber with this Twitch chat. You're going to be full femboy. You'll see my fit. You'll be aware that like I'm looking pretty fine. Okay. Like I'll be okay. Probably. I'm glad you're gonna be safe on the road. Yeah, we're just kind of gamer like that. Let's see here. My laptop is like starting up. Give me a second. Just have to open OBS. It's kind of gross like that. Give me like 2 seconds here. Okay. All right. Let's end. Okay. How are we doing here? Is things all right? Let's make sure that this works. Okay. I just need to do that. There we go. Yeah, we do. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Probably. Let's make sure I got my wallet. And I should probably find some keys. Okay. Very quiet? Good, probably. That's probably fine, right? Very? Like, how bad is it? Like, how quiet am I being when I'm being quiet? Oh, you ate my keys? Oh, okay, good. Oh, really? I left my light on in my car? Damn. Hopefully my battery's okay. Oh, I didn't. It's just the lights around here. Sit and listen while the fox drives? Hell yeah. Okay, do you guys want to see out the window? Or do you want to see me? I'll go far enough away from my house and I'll swap the camera. Probably. One second, I gotta clear off the window. There we go. How's the volume? Is that okay? There we go. So yeah, basically, we're heading out right now for some burger. But vibes-wise, I'm just, we're grinding, you know? Yeah, we're gaming, honestly. Like, I feel so free driving right now. It's actually insane. But yeah, so I think in terms of Nancy Drew games, I'm gonna try and finish Message in a Haunted Mansion as fast as possible. And then from there, kind of do do like final scene, secrets can kill and stuff. And then Royal Tower, I believe, is the other one that's like early on games. That shouldn't be too bad. Well, thank you very much for suggesting grabbing a burger. Like, that's actually so real of you. Just drink right there. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep driving, you know? Like, I'm a driver at heart, you know? Like, I just, like, we zoom. The car move. Ice on the windows, gamer. And I just slay like that. We love our kilometer signs, by the way. Yeah. Bros actually have no idea what a kilometer even is, honestly. Look at all y'all Americans and your silly little inclination to describe everything in miles. Like, I'm bilingual, you know, I use feet and inches for height, obviously, but, like, at the same time, I also use centimeters for height, so I'm built a little better, you know. Just a tiny bit, maybe. Yeah, it's gonna be so burger time, honestly. By the way, the reason I'm going so far is because at this time of night, if I'm actually trying to get a good burger, I have to, like, go to very specific places. And what I can say is that, at least in this part of Canada, fast food is as expensive, if not more expensive, than going to a normal restaurant. So, we're just hitting up a specialty burger place, and that's kind of the vibe of it. It's just a little bit down the highway, you know, so the grind to get there is definitely a bit more intense. But you guys get the pick, right? Like, it makes sense. Probably. Me and my silly little cough still here. Yay. Does anyone know how to get rid of, like, a cough like that? One that, like, is somewhat chronic after, like, being sick for a long time, but, like, probably will go away once the phlegm finally gets out of my throat, and I have to deal with, like, pre-nasal drip or whatever, post-nasal drip. I don't know. Words are hard. Something about nasal drip, you know? I guess the nose isn't the only thing that's dripping, to be fair. Like, honestly. Okay, we're coming up on the exit. That's good. It is definitely a little bit icy out. Like, I'm seeing so much snow and ice just on the side of the road. Dude, this is, like, so northern. I can't believe it. I do remember stepping in Wormo's chat about how, like, they turn with both hands. Me too, for real, for real. I'm quite proud of it, actually. I'm gonna go in, make my order, and then I'm gonna pop out and read chat. Thanks, I yell. Be right back. Cool. Here we go. Alright. Let's see this. There we go. First experience here, Volpe driving a car. Yeah, Hazel, it happens. You want a burger? You're pulling up DoorDash? Don't use food delivery, that's so expensive. Twink cam? That's fucked. That's crazy. That's insane to say, honestly. Lovely nails? Oh yeah, I'm using my, purple vibes. You can't really see it well with this, like, lighting. No. It's actually fucked like that, but whatever, what can you do? Can I, like, hold it up to the light? Not really, can I? They look cute. Yeah, hell yeah. What the fuck's a kilometer? Oh, you know, Duganite, you understand already. Partly tainted by the USA? Yeah, exactly. Only partly. Good Berber better than ashtray Berber. Nosing the only thing that's dripping is crazy. You guys actually keeping up with me saying words is fucked up. Acidic drinks and a shitload of nasal spray. Acidic drinks, but like I don't want to have acidic drinks. I just want to drink water. Nasal spray probably could work though. Wish the roads were de-snowed here? Yeah, well, you know, we just have good public services. We pay our taxes, you know? Also, Callie, welcome. How are you? Vary depending on whether it is inflammation or too much phlegm. If it's the latter, then my suggestion would be to run or bite to get a good laugh in. Both those things would help. Well, I do a lot of running out in like the ice right now, so that's probably good enough, but it could just be like the weather and dry air. Because the thing about like where I live is we have cold weather, but we have constant variation between like the highest humidity possible and like the lowest. So it's really challenging to like have consistent air quality or whatever. I don't know. It's words are hard. Um, yeah, Berber. Or I'm caught up. Wait, that's actually not that hard to catch up. Holy shit. Um, yeah, dude, that's crazy. Wait. Oh yeah, you can see my nails from like the wheel. Oh fuck yeah. Since moving north, my nose is too dry to run. I do believe you're living in a dry part of the country though, so that makes sense for it being so dry. Like there's like dust and shit there. Like that's crazy. Midwest creature here. Oh my god. You're also Canem. Yeah. That's crazy like that. That's wild. That's fucking crazy. Okay. Where did I put my keys? They're in my lap. Alright. I'm gonna peek in. Should be done in a few minutes. I will be right back. Kelly, wait. Use the Midwest now, Southern? Oh yeah, you're so right. Perfect. Oh shoot, Foxcott! Oh my god, hi! Welcome, welcome. How have you been doing? Holy crap, wait, how much did I miss? Holy shit, I'm so sorry. Oh my lord. Foxcott, thank you so much for the raid! And howdy y'all raiding in. I'm Volpe and we're having a chill time today, staying close with an extra risk. Welcome, Zed, this is your first time chatting, I'm not sure if you're here still, or... Yes, man! Howdy! How are y'all doing? Through like that guy who wears a suit while eating burgers in his car? That's crazy. Here's your stepping away when I raided. That was my bad. No, that's my bad. I forgot to like say something about like me stepping away, so that's literally fine. Okay. All right. So this place right here is where I go whenever I need like a quick burger, like a poutine or something. This one right here is just a triple stack burger. I just do ketchup, cheese, and the patties. So you can see, yeah, I've just got my... The lighting is so horrible. I'm so sorry. Like, let's see, can I, like, fix that? Yeah, lighting's not even real, actually. Lighting has always been fake. Did you know about that? Did you realize that? Like that? That might work, actually. Yeah. But it's always high quality going over here, because, like, I'm getting my silly little burger. Mm. This is so good every single time. Perfect amount of grease to, like, not be overwhelming, but also have a really good patty. Foxtrot, by the way, how was your stream? What were you up to today? Mm. Looks greasy as hell. It's not that bad. The brioche bun makes it look greasier than it is. It's pretty okay, though. Did because I'm gonna test a possible hardware fix. My PC crashed 3 times. I was like, dude, go fix your things, okay? Have a good time, Scott. I'll see you around sometime soon, okay? You enjoy yourself. Also, like, be cool and slay like that, okay? 3 crashes in 2 hours? Oh my god. In Arc Raiders. Dude, I'm so sorry. Yeah, this is pretty good. Pet the so true, Pet the Sochi. Yeah. But, you'll be writing in from Foxtrot. When I get home, we're getting back to Nancy and Drew. Will's just kind of, like, baited me into going to get a burger, and now I'm, like, I have a burger, and it was a really good decision, and now we're here. Foxtrot stream experience now? That's so true. I left some rice in my rice cooker, so I guess I'm gonna have rice when I get home as well, so that's gonna be good. Fucking do it again? That's crazy. You can't actually bait me more than once, you know? It's 1 per customer, okay? Dude. Is one hand different color, or is it just the lighting? One hand is a different color. Look, it's my silly little, like, claw paint, or claw polish, you know? Especially when it comes to food. That's crazy. I mean, I'm an expert at baiting other people into appreciating my food against their will. Some people aren't feeling like it, and yet I still bait them into eating it anyways. And it normally turns out pretty well. Looks like I'm leaning off camera. Oh my god! Shut up! Oh my lord. That's crazy. I'm picking up my laptop now that you said that, okay? Yeah. These house foxes are so spoiled. I can't believe you called me spoiled. Me, wealthy of all folk. That's actually so aggressive and toxic. I don't know how I'll ever recover from this. Good night. Right. That tastes good. Back to business. And back to the grind of heading in a homewardly direction. That's a fun word, homewardly. Like, it serves some level of fun, honestly. But whenever I say the word, like, homeward, I just think about Dark Souls 3 and how, like, oh my god, hi, I have a homeward bone, guys. Yummers. But then someone's gonna bring up the thing about me, like, saying bone when I'm a fox, and then it'll be all over from there, you know? Literally over. There's no coming back from that, honestly. Gosh. I do hope that Foxcut comes back at some point, because, like, I do want to say hi to them. I miss that, bro. Like, dude's a homie. And I'm just, like, lame. And a fox, and they're a fox, and we can, like, scream at each other. And then the world will just be, like, perfect and amazing, because, you know, foxes go and stuff, you know? That craziness that comes from it. I do gotta say, I consider myself a significantly better driver than most other folk around. I may be slightly distracted with what I'm saying right now, but I normally talk to myself anyways when I'm driving, so it's not too much a difference from my normal day.